Na cachoeira, olha a aventura.
We were sailing on waves of silver, there were echoes in the wind. When we raised our sails to capture them, the ship was lifted up and in, and we sang, oh, now the country that we came from, they play silver melodies, and the kings and queens all write their dreams on silver pages we would read, and we sing, oh, now the echoes were getting louder and a chorus filled the air. When the voices fell that broke the spell that tied us to our silver chairs, and we sang, oh, 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 oh. We were taken to the shadows, we were carried through the night. When the sun appeared, my God, my fears of silver melted in the light, and we saw the world with different eyes, and we sang, oh,
Agora entra por baixo dela. Eu queria que você deitasse igual a mulher grávida, vem. Vai.
Isso não vai dar certo.
Deita aqui, com a bunda aqui no meio. Vai. Isso, vai, devagar. Isso.
Não, solta.
Não vou soltar não, vou lá contigo. Cadê meu filhão? Vamos ver se ele gosta de água.